Hello, my name's Alison. I'm the Product and Marketing Manager for Miele Professional, and I've been with the business for just over 2 years now.
For 120 years, Miele has delivered the promise of Immer, Besser, or Forever Better, to develop the best solutions and results for our customers. Other brands claim efficiency, sustainability, low running costs, but Miele delivers, setting the benchmark for the highest quality in the market for longevity, durability, and technology. Miele Professional does it best. Anything else is a compromise. With Miele Professional, you're purchasing a product that has been manufactured using energy-saving production methods with the highest quality standards. Miele machines are built to last, built to deliver the best results, and are built with the environment in mind. Miele's guarantee of quality is no idle promise. Miele develops the most robust machines you can buy. Our washing machines are tested to last 30,000 operating hours to ensure they withstand their mechanical stresses. Our machines last. Machines are replaced less frequently and they're made up of 95% recyclable components, therefore avoiding landfill.